It's a cold, well, not terribly cold, but just a nasty day here in North Carolina. But after watching some of the weather reports, I don't think we have it near as nasty as a lot of the states, a lot of you guys across the states and on up into Canada. So our thoughts and prayers are for you and with you. I got a little work I've got to done. You might notice something missing here at my log yard, and that is the bandsaw is in the shop because I am rewiring my lasers. You may have watched on a previous video, one of my lasers was not working, and I couldn't figure out what's going on. I knew it wasn't the lasers. So I got into it. Well, let me just show you. I'm sharing this with you so that you'll not make the same expensive mistake that I made. You may not have these on your lasers. You may have some that are operated by battery, but and between the laser and the battery, there's this controller. What I see right there, it says clearly, I don't know how clearly you can read it, input and output. Well, I had one of those backwards, and I don't know that it caused fatal damage to the laser, but I'm afraid it may have. So here's what I've got set up here. Got the tools that I know that I'm going to use, and electrical tools and the parts and stuff, and I've already started pulling some new wire. I'm just going to run everything new because I can and because I feel like I need to. So hang with me and I will show you how I'm going to wire this puppy up. I'm not saying this is the way to do it, but this is the way I'm going to do it. I did show, and you can look that video up, my wiring diagram, and I had some guys comment on it and say everything looks good on here. See my lasers here, red's hot, black's the ground, and it goes up to this chart, or to this reducer. Here, one hot wire goes to one leg on the switch and one to the other switch, to the battery and all that. You can take a snapshot of that if you wanted, but I mean, it's not complicated, but I complicated it up. I guess I don't know what I did. I don't know why I did it, because I tried to pay serious attention to that input and output, but anyway, I'm human, and being human, I not only make mistakes, but I'm prone to make mistakes. But I'll learn from it. I won't do it again. All right, let me get busy here. So what I've decided to do first I've got this. This is my little box. Now let's you know, it seems like that's the way it always is. That with me anyway, I need something, and a lot of times if I can afford it, I'll buy twice as much as I need at the time. But then, you know, you use out of your stock over a while, and next thing you know, you're out before you know it. So I imagine they got a few at the box store. They'll be happy to sell me. All right, let's go see if we can find what we need. Be my luck to be sold out. Let's see here. Or they'll want to sell them in a big old pack that I don't need. Wait a minute, looky here. Looky there. There's a 10 pack. $2 a pack. 10 pieces. Well, gotta have them, you gotta have them. I know one thing. Somebody is going to have to get some firewood up. We're not like you guys, you know, up in the cold climates where you have to, excuse me, keep a little firewood going all the time. And I love the heat with wood. But I do need some for this week. We're looking pretty good there. All right, let's put some more pieces on the puzzle. Well, that's about as far as I'm going to get to before dinner here anyway. Let me show you what I've got. So I got this laser buttoned up, and something I hadn't showed you. I drill and tap this holder here and put me an extra screw on here with some washers so I can put a tension on that. So it's got the set screw in it, but I put that on there, and that really holds it in place. And then I've got this plexiglass cover that I folded, and it's mounted on to keep the thing out of the weather. And got these Velcro stick-on things. They work really, really good. So I've got this wire buttoned up coming to this controller, and once I get the other side to this controller, I've got my wires pulled there for that. Be good to go. maximum fuse to get as much power to those controllers. The lasers are rated at 3.5 amps. So I think that's what it is. So let me know. I would appreciate it.